One thing you don't want to do is hurt your shoulders while you're doing this. This move should be powered by your core down here. You want to have your earlobe over your shoulder, over your hips, over your heels with your knees soft and your pelvis tucked. And then you want to reach your arm up, and then what's happening is the arm is rotating from the shoulder sockets. But you are also, if you notice, my hip is opening to the side of the hand that is backwards. And that's how you prevent shoulder injury, is by using the core to propel the power of the motion. And then you have to spin it hard enough and fast enough with the arms fully extended so that the leash of the poi stays taut the whole time through. So let's do 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's reverse, go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You start with your circles down here, then you can try and go big, and just go big like 4 times, 3 and 4, and then down to small, where you're sort of leaning like this. So if you pull your toes up off the ground, it will force you to put your weight in your heels when you do this, and you'll be standing more erect so that you'll have a better posture to support it. Easier. Some people find the underhand version easier, where you go this way, because you're pulling up into your center.